There we go. Hi everybody, I am Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with day 3 of my March series, Crochet Life Hacks. So these are great ideas that you can crochet at any time to make your life easier, right? Who doesn't want that? Everybody wants their life easier. So this is a great idea, and it comes to us from Heart Hook Home, and it is called a fruit hammock. You didn't hear me wrong. That is exactly what it is called. It is a fruit hammock. I'm going to put some pictures up here so you can see what I'm talking about. So Ashley over at Heart Hook Home always has these fabulous ideas. And she has this one, how to make a fruit hammock. And basically what it is this little hammock that you hang from underneath your cupboards over your countertop, and it gets, you know, the fruit up off of the countertop. Usually it might be in a bowl or something like that, and this way it takes up a lot less space because it's, you know, hanging above. So who couldn't use more space, right? Everybody can use more space. So it's super easy to get to this pattern, and it is a free pattern. It's available right there on her website. Not a ton of ads, there are some, and you do have to scroll down a little bit to find the pattern, but once you're there, it's easy peasy. Let's see what kind of yarn this uses. I believe it's cotton, but I don't want to tell you wrong. Still scrolling. Hang on one second. I know it's here because I've checked it 3 times. Okay, let me just see. It does have kind of a macrame look to it. I'm going to take another screen grab here for you. All right, so materials, she used dishy cotton, approximately 70 yards. You do need a crochet hook, 4 millimeters, what she recommends, and also 2 dowels, 1/4 inch dowel rods. So yeah, I think this looks like a pretty simple simple project. It uses the Solomon's knot stitch, also known as the lover's knot stitch. But yeah, overall, I think this is a fantastic idea, especially if you like to keep a lot of fresh fruit around for your family, and you don't want to take up too much counter space. So that is today's crochet hack. There is a link in the description box below. If you want to try any of these ideas, just click on that link. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. All you have to do is click on the picture of the item you want to make, and it's going to take you right to the pattern. So let me know what you're thinking of this series so far. Are these ideas ones that you will use, find helpful? Let me know. I'd like to know how you're feeling about it. So until tomorrow's fantastic idea, have a great day and keep on hooking. Bye-bye.